One, welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. The Dow was up today. Dow was up 369 points today, guys. So the selling didn't last long. 1 day of selling. All right. So Dow is back up. NASDAQ, S&P, and Russell were all up today. We've switched the time frames on the indexes back from the 240-minute time frame to the daily time frame. Okay, so buyers are back in control. All right, 1 day of selling. 1 day of selling. Okay. Now that did interrupt. We took a short. Let me show you guys here. So this US 30 short, right? So this morning thought it would break support here. Let's see here. Here's the sell short signal right here. All right, and we're looking for it to break support, perhaps get a move down to support here. All right, near-term support here. Was hoping to get reversed quickly. Right, we got out. The sell short signal was right about here, but we got about right here. Had to cover right about here. All right, so if anyone took that short trade, you should have been out of that trade. We send out an alert to get out right at the start of this green candle right here. All right, so no more shorts. All right, so we'll look to see if we can get a long here. Now, let's set this up here. And we'll also take a look at the yen pairs because those were short. Okay. So on the 60-minute time frame here for the US 30, we'll just wait for a buy signal. Okay. On the 60-minute, we do have a buy signal already here. All right. Hey, Anthony, welcome. We do have a buy signal here on the daily. Okay. So again, if you guys took this short trade, you will squeeze pretty quickly. All right. Pretty quickly. So should be out of that trade. So, right here. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Solomon, welcome. All right. Current positions, long positions in Monster Scalper. Long positions in Monster Scalper. Now, I won't say everything, but a lot of the positions changed around. All right. So USDN, okay. Red candle came in, guys. So red candle, so close that trade. All right. Let's take a look at the dollar index here. All right. Dollar index, guys, has a white candle here. All right. So keep that in mind. White candle here on the dollar index. All right. That could affect the dollar pairs. All right. So USDN, okay, close that trade, please. Right. Buy signal here, red candle came in, so close that trade. USD and okay. USD CNH. Let's take a look at that. USD CNH. That's holding right here. Keep an eye on this one here. If you're trading it. So buyers really came in heavy today. All right. So trading between support and resistance, a lot of consolidation in here. All right. Was hoping that it would break out. Right. Breakout hasn't done that. Back between support and resistance. Okay. So if it breaks support here, definitely want to close the trade. Okay. So USD CNH, we're holding for now. USD DKK. All right. Buy signal here. Big red candle here. We should be out of this trade. USD DKK. All right. So close that trade. Big red candle here. All right. So close that trade. Short positions. Now I know we had a big reversal in some of these shorts, especially in the yen pairs. Like I said, buyers came in strong today. All right, let's see how they're holding. All right, Aussie yen. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, I think we got it right about in here or so. All right, a pullback. We need sellers to come back in, push that price lower, kind of like here. Okay, so but nothing to do so far. All red candles there. Okay, hold on. That's Aussie yen. Aussie yen. Swiss yen. All right, sell short signal is here. We've got white candles coming in here. All right. I would say for now you can hold it. Okay, but we need sellers to come back in. All right, sellers to come back in, push that price lower. It wasn't a good day. All right, with that move higher really messed up these shorts. Okay, that's Swiss yen, pound yen, pound yen. All right, take a look at pound yen. Sell short signal was here. I think our entry was right about here. Still red candles. We just need those sellers to come back in. Yellow support and resistance. So keep that in mind, right? Yellow support and resistance there. All right. SGD JPY. That one is holding fine here. Sell short signal is here. Let's move this. If there is another big update tomorrow, these shorts can really get squeezed. Okay, so just be aware. If you're shorting the yen pairs, just be aware of that. All right. If there's another big update tomorrow, um, might have to close those trades. Okay. All right. Perhaps on a wide candle too. Pound yen. Hold on. Pound yen right here. Let's bring in our lines here. I doubt this is the pullback, but you never know, guys. This could be, they're moving these markets higher. These are all-time highs. All right. Euro yen, a bit of a pullback. This one is holding. And sometimes they'll move it right, that price action, right to that moving average before they continue to bring it lower, just like they do here in the markup phase. Okay. So this one is holding fine. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen. Let's bring this down here. All right. Dollar yen. All right. This one is holding fine. Sell short signal is here. And dollar yen, that's part of the dollar group. So if the dollar is under pressure, that might help the dollar yen. All right, so here's your markup phase. Markdown phase here. And we're bringing a target right here. Okay, right about here. Okay, HKD JPY. All right, that's holding fine. So that's good to see. Some of these are holding. Sell short signal here. All right, here's your markup phase. Markdown phase. and your target is right about here. All right, so that's holding fine. Just need red candles to continue, sellers to continue to push that price lower. TRYJPY, all right, that's holding. So some of these are holding. That is a big update, almost 400 points on the Dow. All right, right here. Okay. Aussie, we also added Aussie, some of the Aussie pairs. So Aussie dollar. All right. So keep an eye on this one here, guys. We have a lot of support here. Look at this support. Support is here. So, you know, buyers could really come in. Resistance here. All right. Sell short signal was here. Broke support, but look right here. It's back into right consolidating right here. So white candles here. Definitely keep an eye on this one here. Okay. If you're in this, I would watch it overnight. Okay. We need sellers to come back down, push that price lower there. Aussie, New Zealand, that's holding fine. We just needed to break support here. Continue to move lower, break support. Difficult trading here, though. This is difficult trading. All right, sell short signal in here, right? We needed to break through support here. But just remember, right? Buyers can, you know, support can hold. Buyers could come in right here. All right, so really keep an eye on this one here. So Aussie, New Zealand. Euros, SEK closed this trade here. Sell short signal was here. Right, white candles, green candle came in here, so close that trade. Sell short signal here, close that trade. EUR SEK, close the trade, please. EUR NZD, EUR NZD, green candle here. There's a good chance, guys, this could come back down. All right. But guess what? It could move higher too. Green candle just closed the trade. All right. Sell short signal right in here. Close the trade. All right. EURNZD. That's too bad. EURNZD. Euro Swiss. All right. Euro Swiss is holding. Sell short signal is here. We still have all red candles. Keep an eye on it. We need it to come down, test support there. Euro Aussie broke out. All right. So sell short signal right in here. I think our entry was right about in here somewhere. All right. Big candle came in. Green candles came in here. Definitely we want to close this trade. We should be out. Green candles, buy to cover signal there. All right. No direction with these pairs. Pound, as PLN, GBP PLN. Here's your markup phase. This one is holding so far. Target is down here. All right. Pound New Zealand, GBP NZD. Right. Sell short signal here. Green candle came in. Close the trade, please. Good chance you could get some sellers to come in, but I would say close the trade. Right. It could move higher also. If it gets back there down to this support line right here, we might, you know, enter again. All right, so pound New Zealand closed that trade. Pound New Zealand. All right, pound Swiss. Pound Swiss is holding. All right. Pound CAD. Pound CAD is tricky. All right. Sell short signal is here. We've got some white candles here. If you're trading, just keep an eye on it. We need sellers to come back down. I would say if you get past, even with a white candle, you get past this moving average here. You're getting past resistance here. Just close the trade. Okay. All right. CAD yen. CAD yen. Sell short signal is here, moving up higher here. It still has a red candle there. So definitely watch out. Keep an eye. Mark up phase, mark down phase. So that all that buying today really changed these positions. All right. Target is down here. All right. Let's move that right here. Okay. All right. So that's Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator. Equities had a big update. All that green here. So equities did good. All right. Monster Scalper. I mean, Forex Dominator. Forex Dominator. Long positions. EURTRY still holding here. Looks like it might be getting, this is a big candle here today, so might be getting ready to break out. EURTRY looks good. All right. Dollar TRY, USD TRY still holding. EURCZK, right, moving up slowly, right. Higher lows right here. All right. Pound New Zealand. So we got to move higher here. Pound New Zealand, they held. That held. Pound New Zealand, pound PLN. All right. Got some white candles here. Here was the buy signal, guys, right here. Here we are right here. A bit of a pullback, white candles. Definitely keep an eye on this. All right. We need buyers to come back in. All right. So a bit of a pullback there. But, pound SGD, that's holding. Okay. Dollar CZK, that's holding. And dollar HUF, a bit of a pullback here. All right, keep an eye on this. We need buyers to come back in. All right, but the dollar index, remember, the dollar index is struggling a bit right now. All right, and then CAD yen is holding. All right, so we don't have any real trends right now. No real movement in Forex. We'll take a look at the volatility. It's amazing what one day will do. All right, shorts in Forex Dominator. All right, GBP, Euro, Pound. All right, sell short signal is here. Still holding support here, right? Looking for it to break through a pretty big support right here. All right, right here. Pretty big support right here. All right, it's on the daily time frame. So looking for it to break out. Keep in mind though, as that price gets squeezed, the buyers could also come in. We are low in the markdown phase. Okay. All right. Aussie CAD. This one is holding fine. Let's draw it out. All right. Sell short signal is here. I'm moving down nicely there. All right. Target all the way at the bottom there. All right. All right. Hey, Justin. Welcome, Justin. Welcome. 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 All right. So that's Aussie CAD. Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss. Breaking support here. Another big support here. All right. On the daily time frame. And we're hoping for this to break through that support down here. All right. And this is a nice setup here. Look here. So every time that price moves up to that trend line, it goes down further, right? But holding support here, right? We needed to break through that support, okay? But remember, buyers can always also come in here as price gets squeezed, all right? So keep that in mind. New Zealand CAD, that's holding. All right, markup. Here's your markdown. And target is down here. All right. Definitely don't go heavy, guys, on any of these trades. New Zealand Swiss. These are shorts. All right. So we've got our target down here. Sell short signal is here. And similar setup. All right. And the goal is to come on down. All right. Come on down. All right, let's take a look at equity. So stock boss and boom. Well, before we do that, let's take a quick look at futures, monster futures. All right, lean hogs, that's holding fine. Buy signal here, still holding here. S&P, E-mini, right, moving up nicely. Look at that trade here. It's on the daily time frame, guys. S&P there. Feeder cattle, nice big move in feeder cattle today. Look at that big candle today, guys. Big candle here. Buy signal was here, broke resistance all the way down here, moving up nicely. And then live cattle, nice big candle today. All right, so monster futures, those trades are doing well. All right. Equities. Again, we've moved that time frame. That didn't last long. Moved that time frame from the 240 back to the daily. Like I said, only one day of selling. So let's go through Stock Boss, Bull Master. Stock Boss, remember, these are stocks that are under $10. So small cap stocks. Okay. All right. If we've got a white candle right now, if it's a white candle, we'll leave those. Red candle, close the trade. Sell signal, white arrows, buy over system, like right here, we'll close the trade. Okay. NKTX, buy signal is here. That's holding, getting ready to break through resistance right here. All right. So getting ready to break resistance here. Next target right here. All right. FULC, breaking resistance right here. Right here, guys. Near-term resistance right here. Second target all the way up here. All right. This one is holding. Holding. a white candle here. All right, but it's moving higher, so we should get our green candle soon. OMER, that's holding. RYAM. All right, if we have an update tomorrow, good chance, big candle today, that it will break through resistance here. Next target all the way up here. All right, CLVT, that's holding. Nice big candle came in today, right here. All right, that's holding. All right, big gap up today. DQD, that's holding. This is holding, 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 holding. HCAT. All right. Green candle came in today. I know it's hard to see here. All right. But it's holding. This is holding. This is what we like to see here. White candles followed by a nice green candle here. All right. So that's holding there. VIAV. So equities got some help today. That's holding. Looks good. Really, this one really looks good, guys. All right. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Nice markdown phase there. All right. All right. So RNA. RNA. Anthony RGTI long. RGTI. Let's take a look at that. In Stock Boss. RGTI. All right. Oh, good job. Good buy signal. Clean buy signal. So a decent markdown phase. Risk reward on this one. Oh, good job. This one fell from $11, guys. Good job. $11 to buy signal came in at $1.21. Look at this markdown phase here. Good job, Anthony. Good job here. So just bring in your lines. Good job. We can do this here. Purpose support and resistance, but that's not a concern. It is right at the bottom there. Okay, so yeah, good job. Buy signal here. Target, I would say first target. And the market is back bullish again. Amazing. So first target would be here around 168, which is really not a target. You just got to get past this area. Perhaps the next area would be up here. You don't have any major resistance until up here. I would say right about here, and then possibly up here. Good job. And really good support right here. Look at that. Really good support at 93 cents. So worst case scenario, if it fails, right, you're gonna get a sell signal at 93 cents. Buy signal came in right at 130.32 or so, but good upside. Good job. And the market is bullish again. All right, so good job. All right. So RNA holding. NUVB, that's holding. Good job there. This is holding. All right. So now let's take a look at Bullmaster. And all right. CLS. Look at CLS. All right. Big move today. S. All right. Buy signal all the way down here. All right, testing that resistance right here, guys. Okay, all green candles, nothing to do. Next target is all the way up here. Okay, all right, so that's holding fine. AMD, all right, holding. This is holding, holding, holding. Big candle, ALGN. Big buyers came in today. Big candle right here. Buy signal was here. All right, need to get up to its target there. That's holding. And that's holding, holding. Good. All right, RVTY closed. Okay, so buy signal was here, guys. Broke support, right? Sell signal right here. So broke support, sell signal, white arrow here. Close the trade, please. Okay, so RVTY. All right, that's holding, holding, holding. Market is bullish, so these if they're trading near resistance, all right. If we unless we get a lot of selling, they should break through. Okay. That's holding, holding, holding. This is holding. OFIX, just no major concern yet on this one. We do have a lot of purple support and resistance. Okay, but the price is holding. It's making higher lows right here. Hold on. So if you guys look right here, you're getting some pullbacks, but it's right along that trend line right here. Okay, so as long as it holds green candles, it can move higher. It's making higher lows, higher lows. All right, purple support and resistance, but it needs to get past this area here. Okay, OFIX there. This is holding, and this is holding. All right, so equities did good today. I want to take a quick look at Monster Scalper, and then we'll take a second look at the E-minis, and then we'll be done. All right. All right. So Monster Scalper, let's go here. Let's see what's going on. All right. So we're all over the place again. Okay. Let's go here. So the dollar pairs, guys, we were looking for longs. Just be careful. All right. Yen pairs, there's a good chance that the yen pairs, we might get some follow through. All right. In the yen pairs to come back down. Okay. But this is pound yen here. Now, pound yen, it is the leader. All right. Not only in Forex, but in the yen pairs. So keep an eye on pound yen. If it comes back down, that will be good for the yen pairs. Okay. So don't give up, totally give up on the yen pairs short, but just keep a close eye. All right. On those. Dollar pairs long, just stay away from those for right now. We don't have any shorts yet in the dollar pairs. I don't know what's going on with the euro pairs. All right, they're all over the place with the euro pairs. The pound pairs, um, I would say same thing with the pound pairs. So this is not good. You guys know our monster scalper traders, right? We have no direction right now. Okay. Volatility is still good. We have good volatility, right? So we have a little bit more than, I would say, about 60% of the pairs are moving. So that's good. All right. But just be flexible. Trade lightly. Okay. US 30 traders, or US 30 traders. Um, now, this short here really should not have taken this short right here, but it looked good, right? The futures were down, all right, but buyers came in strong. They came in really, really strong. I will show you guys here. So here was the short. I think the short was right here. This is on the hourly time frame, right about here. All right, to take it down, and it came all the way down, never closed below here, but buyers came in and we were forced. I think we called this to exit right about in here. So you should be totally out. If you took the short, totally out. Um, Wait for longs, right? A lot has to happen to get a buy signal. So we'll bring this here. What we would like to see is some consolidation. All right. If it can consolidate in here for a while and then break out with a buy signal, that would be better than just spiking up and giving a buy signal. Okay. So definitely back long for now. For now. On the daily time frame, good price action on the daily. Okay. And we do want this market to go up, right? I mean, that's the best trade on the long side. So we do want this market to continue to move higher. All right. Um, the NAS 100. Let's take a look here. All right. So similar to the NAS 100, we just need, we don't have a buy signal yet. We just need, here is support here. And then here is resistance here. Resistance is right about here. All right. So we need a bit of consolidation, right? Perhaps near resistance here and then push up. And that will probably happen next week. Okay. On the daily time frame, that needs to be changed. That's 240 here. On the daily time frame, it's holding in the markup phase really, really, really good. Okay, strong. The S&P, let's take a look here. S&P 500. All right, identical. Okay, so same thing here. All right, here is your support. Bring that right here. Now this one gave a buy signal today on the S&P, a buy signal. We'll wait because you could get a pullback here. On the daily time frame, it's holding solid. Okay, buy signal here, holding solid here. Okay. All right. All right, guys, that's all I've got this evening. Just be careful trading. Okay, be careful trading. Um, Monster scalper, it's all over the place right now. Okay, so if you're going to trade, trade lightly. Too bad on these yen pairs. Okay, too bad on these yen pairs, but it's not over. The sellers could come back in. Okay, but it's all over the place right now. Okay, stocks are good. US 30 just long, 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 long. Okay, US 30 long. All right, guys. I'll see you all on Sunday. Everyone else, I'll see you on Sunday. Our traders, our monster traders, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 5 p.m. for roundtable. All right, and beginning traders will have our webinar on Saturday. So see you guys then. All right, take care, guys. Be careful out there with with these markets. Okay, be careful. Take care. Bye bye.